Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create viral style videos with InVideo AI and make your content more engaging, attention-grabbing, and suitable for social media audiences. First, open InVideo AI and start a new video project. Before creating your video, choose a topic that is useful, interesting, or relevant to the audience you want to reach. Next, write a clear and detailed prompt. Describe your topic, target audience, video style, tone, and the main message you want viewers to remember. Start your video with a strong hook. The opening should quickly tell viewers what the video is about and give them a reason to keep watching. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the first version. When the video is ready, preview it from beginning to end. Start by checking the script, remove unnecessary introductions, and get to the main point quickly. Keep the information useful, clear, and easy to follow. Next, review the visuals. Choose images and video clips that are directly related to the narration and help maintain viewer interest. You can also use different visuals throughout the video to avoid making the presentation feel repetitive. Now review the AI voiceover. Choose a voice that sounds natural and matches the energy of your content. Make sure the narration is easy to understand and that the
No
speaking
me
pace
gusta la
is
textura
comfortable.
del
Next, check the subtitles and on-screen text. Highlight important words or ideas, but avoid filling the screen with too much text. You should also pay attention to pacing. Avoid long pauses and unnecessary scenes. Keep the video moving naturally from one point to the next. If you're creating short-form content, make sure the most important information appears early and that the video stays focused on one main idea. Background music can also help create the right mood. Choose music that fits the content and keep the volume low enough that the narration remains clear. Next, review the ending. Give viewers a clear takeaway and, when appropriate, include a simple call to action. Once your edits are complete, preview the entire